Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add payments form on Wix. So first is you may want to head over to Wix and of course, ensure that you're logged into your account. And from here, we're just going to start editing our site. Just click on edit site. And from our editor page, we're just going to start by adding elements. Just click on the add elements button, then click on or hover your mouse on contact and forms. And from here, we're just going to choose order. And we can choose from the pre-made templates. So we're just going to use this and drag it on our editor. And from here, we're just going to click on edit form. And next in the left panel, just click on payments. And from here, you can start adding fields from the payments section onto your form. So since we already have a product list here, we're just going to remove this. And to finalize everything, just click on the products section. In the bottom right corner of your screen, you should be able to see the payment settings section. And to proceed, you're going to need to connect a payment method. So first, let's just save this form. And from here, you have an option to accept payments from PayPal or manual payments. All you have to do is connect your account. So say for example, we're going to connect manual payments. Just choose the manual payment type if it's cash payment or offline payment or cash on delivery. You can also add in payment instructions here for your customers to know how to pay. Then once done, just head over and click on connect. So just a reminder that the manual payments feature is only available on the premium plan. But you still have a bunch more options such as PayPal, HitPay, Payment Full, and a lot more. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!